Hello guys, welcome to my channel Iron Tech. I hope you all are fine and enjoying the videos. So guys, in today's video I will teach you how you can blur the background of your image in Canva. Uh, for this purpose, basically people use Adobe Illustrator or Adobe Photoshop and other different difficult tools. But I will teach you how you can blur your background, the image background of the image in Canva, and it is very easy in simple steps. So stay tuned. But before we started the video, I request you to go to my channel Iron Tech on YouTube and go to the playlist section, and there I uploaded different courses, complete courses like Pinterest marketing course, HTML course, and Canva designing course. And please share it with your friends and family so they can also learn and earn through it. So let's get started. First of all, I will go to search bar and here I search Facebook. Facebook post. So after that I click on create a blank Facebook post. So the first step is that we need an image with a good background. So I go to photos and here I search model. And let's see, I search travel. Yeah, this image is good. So I stretch the image and that's it. After that I click on this and click on edit image and go to the adjust section, see all, and here is the blur value, and I increase the blur value to like 10, and you can see our whole image is blur, but we only need the background is blur, uh, not the main uh, character or main uh, model is also blurred. So that's why we again click on this image, and after that I remove the background of the image, the second image. So it takes some time to remove the background. Wait for some seconds. Yeah, so it is removed. So we apply the image to the background image. So it is amazing. So you can see our background image is blurred, and it is just a matter of 2 to 3 steps. So this is amazing feature of Canva, and this is a basically a trick, not a feature of Canva. So uh, let's make another one, and this time we choose a male model, and I think this image is also very good. So I stretch this image and that's it. After that I go to edit image, adjust section, see all, blur value to 10. And guys, this is a very good service and people sell this service on freelancing platforms. So after that I click on this again, I click on the image, and after that I click on edit image and remove background. So it is removing, just wait for some seconds. So that's it, and after that I place this image here, and you can see the main object is not blurred, but the background of the image is blurred. So I hope you like the video. So that's it for today. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then click the subscribe button and share it with your friends and family so they can also learn and earn through this service. And I also uploaded different videos in future for the earning purpose. So stay tuned. I will meet you in the next video. Till then, keep learning. Goodbye.